All right, good morning, y'all. Welcome to a vlog, a mini vlog. If my voice sounds a little different, I didn't sleep very well last night, and also I went to a heavy metal concert, so I was screaming my lungs out. But today I'm getting a tattoo, and I figured it'd be fun to bring you guys with me. I don't know how much I'll get of the shop inside. Obviously, other people are going to be getting tattooed, privacy reasons, but I'm sure I can get a before and after shot of my tattoo. And so I thought, just first day of my spring break, thought it would be fun. I have a little extra time today. Again, I'm making these videos. It'd be awesome if you guys join me on the journey, but it's more so for me to kind of have a visual video journal of events in my life and things that happen. I was planning to work out this morning and wash my hair, but I did not sleep well. My body really hurts, so I think I'm trying to be better about listening to my body and not pushing it, while still getting some movement in. So I think I'm just gonna do like a quick 15 minutes of yoga and then shower, do makeup, and then we need to do a Target pickup order to get some snacks for the tattoo because it's going to be a long one, and then we will be at the shop. I'm sure I can get a before and after shot of my arm. That's where I'm getting it. This guy is amazing. He's very detail oriented. He's done a lot of my tattoos before. He's a friend of mine. He's just incredible. All right, let's get our day rolling. Also, kind of an aside, I got these two plant babies yesterday. I'm pretty sure this is a maidenhair fern. I haven't done too much digging on this one just because I do know it's a fern, and I'll figure it out more as I go. But then this guy is kind of more of a mystery to me. He was only $5. I believe it's some sort of philodendron. If you know what it is, please let me know. It's not really vining yet, but the leaves don't have super prominent lines in it. I did spray these down with a hydrogen peroxide water mix, and then I wiped the leaves down with neem oil, so they should be okay. I'll just have to do some more maintenance on it. I'm curious why this one was only $5. It's not in the greatest shape. Like, this leaf is a little sad. Very interesting that it's kind of broken off there, but I'm confident in myself. I feel like it's already got some new stuff right there. If you guys know what kind of plant this is, like I said, I think it's a philodendron, but yeah, just let me know. Thanks. All right, as you just saw, just did some yoga, and before that I was oiling my hair, which means I'm gonna wash it. Normally, if I'm gonna wash it, I try to do a really hard workout before I shower just to make it feel like it's worth it. Anybody else like that? Like, I wanna make sure I sweat really well so I can like scrub it all out. But I'm trying to be better about listening to my body. I've been really tight. I haven't been to the chiropractor in a while. I'm going this week. And I felt like this is what I needed, especially after a concert. You're super tight, at least at like a metal concert, and you're standing the entire time. Yeah, also I know I need to take down my candy canes. It's almost spring. Although there's like tons of snow outside. It actually snowed a lot outside yesterday, so it doesn't really feel like spring here. Oh well. we're here. We made it. I had a Target pickup order for some snacks. Guys are precariously perched on my dashboard right now. I have 2 water bottles. I think they have a water fountain in there, like filler, but I'm not sure, so I just brought an extra. And then, since my tattoo artist is basically an old man, he asked for hard candy caramels, so I got him some Werther's. And then for me, I don't know how long this is gonna take. It's gonna be a pretty big tattoo. It's like almost a half sleeve, so it might take a few hours. So I got like a protein bar, some peppercorn. These are like healthier version of cheese balls, which I really like. I like cheese balls. People make fun of me, but I really like them. And then I got some skinny dipped almonds, dark chocolate, peanut butter. Not tried this kind before, but I've tried this brand. I like them. Got some salty, got some sweet, got water. Depending on your relationship with your tattoo artist and the rules that they have at their tattoo parlor, you might not be able to bring food or even drink into the studio. Because this is a long tattoo and I know the guy pretty well, it's not gonna be a big deal. There's also like restaurants around us that, or like fast food places and a gas station right across the road from the tattoo parlor that we can get food from. So might be a long night, but we shall be fed. All right, let's go. Oops. Alright, quality may be a little bit out of sorts. I'm filming this on my phone because I'm too lazy to whip out my camera and microphone and get everything synced and set up and whatever. Love this hairdo. I just put my hair up because I wanted to stop touching it. That's one thing I struggle with my hair is as soon as it's freshly washed or straight or down, I just touch it a lot and it gets greasy. So I threw it up about halfway through our session. So you've seen intermittent clips here and there of the session. It is now about 8. Around for a clock. Yeah, it is about almost 8:30 now. I got there at noon. I've been home for a little bit, but I left there around 7:30. In between breaks and stuff, that was probably about 6.5 to 7 hours worth of work of constant stabbing. I always have a good time with my tattoo artist. We just sit and talk the entire time. He's hilarious. Really enjoy his company. But let me show you it. My arm is very swollen, very tender. It will be for a long time. It is not finished yet. I will be going back in about a month to get it deepened up and the rest of the details done. What I have on it right now, so here you can see the purple is more stencils. So he wanted to reposition this one back here. So that's why there's this kind of like empty space here. So we're gonna fix that next time or work on it next time. If you see like a bubble on my skin, like right there, what is on my skin right now, it's like almost undetectable, except right there you can see it perfect. There's different names for it, different brands. It's widely used by a lot of tattoo artists, at least by the ones that I've always had my tattoos done by. It's like a second skin. So the theory is that you wear it for about 3 days after your tattoo, and then the fluid that your body exerts after injury, in this case being stabbed a million times, helps expedite the healing process. That fluid is actually really good for your skin to regenerate itself, to heal. I don't know if there's a specific name for it. I feel like there is, and I'm blanking on it. I feel like I learned it back in medical terminology in high school. I'm stoked. I'm super happy. It was a long process. I should have brought a book to read. It ended up just being him and me in the parlor for like the last 4 to 5 hours. So I could have brought a book to read. I was planning on watching One Piece and wearing headphones while I watched it, but we ended up just talking for the most part. There were some times where it was a little quiet, but it was okay. Both of us zoned out. That's fine. I feel like I'm going to be caught off guard now every time I see it. That always happens whenever I get a new tattoo. I'm like, oh, feels like it's almost not my body. My future husband loves it. He really likes it. I'm excited to see it done. He's excited to see it done. And if you're wondering why I'm calling him future husband, it's because he doesn't like the term fiance. It's like the word ointment and moist to some people. He doesn't like that word, so I'm going to use future husband. So I know today was a weird one. It might be a short video. I'm not sure. I haven't edited it yet. Why did that sound so weird? I have yet to edit this video, obviously. So I don't know how long it's going to be. It feels like it's going to be a little bit shorter. Maybe that's a good thing. Almost all my videos are around 25 minutes. Not everybody's into that. I mean, short form content's kind of thing right now. Tomorrow I have a grad school interview and we are checking out a wedding venue. Like I said, I'll be wearing this. Oh, honey.
Who is mommy talking to you?
Welcome the bee into the field. She was crying outside my door. This is going to be very distracting, I can already tell. So I'm going to wear this for 3 days. Once I do that, I usually use my face wash to wash it with, just because it's gentle, no dyes, no scents, nothing. And then I have some leftover CeraVe moisturizing cream. I know CeraVe has had some issues with, I think, having undisclosed chemicals in their products recently, and they're also not cruelty-free, even though they claim to be, from resources I've seen. But I have it, it's almost gone. I'm just gonna use it up to moisturize this. Follow your tattoo parlor's aftercare instructions. Everyone's gonna be different. Inks are different, skin is different. Your tattoo artist, hopefully, if they know their stuff, will know how to do correct aftercare for your tattoo. This feels so weird. This is actually a nice tattoo for me because with my job, I have to have full-length sleeves usually and a dark solid color. The nice thing about this is that if my sleeve starts to slip down, I will still have some contrast here. People ask me why that is. Interpreters always have to have a contrasting color, so if you have a darker skin tone, you should wear a lighter color, and if you have lighter skin tone like me, wear a darker color with no patterns, solid. And the reason for that is because your hands show up better and it's just easier communication. So like even as you can see, lighter colored shirt with pattern on it, very distracting if my hands are down here, versus I guess I have a t-shirt down here I can flip inside out maybe. Yeah, I have a tour shirt, hold on, from Seven Spires. Versus if I have a black shirt on, and just imagine this is long sleeve, you can see my hands a lot more clearly here. That's the reason behind that. It's also professional etiquette, what have you. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Let me know if you have any tattoos, if you have any plans for tattoos, or if you don't ever want to get a tattoo, maybe a piece of artwork in your house that you really like. I'm trying to get into artwork. It's hard because I've only ever lived in rentals as an adult. Once I have my own home, once we have our own home, I think it'll be a little easier for me to start collecting and decorating things. So leave a comment down below. I would love it if you would leave a like for this video. I would love to continue growing our little community here on the internet. And as always, I hope you were able to treat yourself with the same kindness that you so easily give to others. Thanks, guys. Bye. Products. Oh, don't show them your butt. Weirdo. I hope you guys are able to treat yourself with the same kindness that you so easily... Sorry, Bean. Hold on. Hey, almost done. And as always, I hope you are